This recipe is all about rich flavours and tender textures, a comforting slow cooker cashew pork. Imagine melt-in-your-mouth pork combined with the velvety richness of cashews, all infused with a blend of aromatic spices and seasonings. It's the perfect dish for those who crave deep, delicious flavours without spending hours in the kitchen, because the slow cooker does all the legwork. Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty and welcome to my Food for Fitness kitchen. If you're a fan of Chinese food and using your slow cooker, specifically slow cooker recipes that require absolutely minimal prep, then you're going to love this recipe. We've got all the flavours you'd expect: aromatic garlic and ginger, soy sauce, the sweet touch of honey, and a hint of heat from the chili flakes. We're going to use pork loin as well because it's a super lean, protein-packed cut of meat that is also quite cost effective. Now, one of the best things about this dish really is the simplicity. You just bung everything in, pop the lid on, and let the slow cooker work its magic. So whether you're hosting a dinner party or prepping a family meal, or just want something deliciously comforting after a long day at work, this is the recipe for you, and this is how you cook it. The prep for this recipe is absolutely minimal. All you're going to do is add your chopped up pork loin or pork medallion fillets, along with some apple cider vinegar, equal measures of garlic and ginger, 50 ml of reduced salt soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of corn flour to help thicken things, a teaspoon of chili flakes, and a little bit of honey for sweetness. Then all you need to do is just stir all of that through so it's nicely combined. Hit the like button because it really helps me out. And then pop the lid on it, and you're going to cook that for about 4 hours on low. And then after 4 hours, just remove the lid and stir through around 80 grams of unroasted cashew nuts before popping the lid on it and giving it a further hour. That is it. I mean, how easy was that? Then you just need to plate it up. It goes really well with rice and stir-fried vegetables. And for garnish, I like to use a little bit of coriander and some sesame seeds. Hope you enjoy this recipe. All you need to do now is just get stuck in and enjoy. So that is slow cooker cashew pork, another belter of a chuck it, cover it and forget it slow cooker recipe, ideal for midweek meal prep. And if you'd like the full recipe for this, including the macros and the calories and so on, you can get it along with the recipes for over 280 other high protein meals. If you just click the link in the description, you can download my Food for Fitness recipes app. Right, I'm off to go and eat this, but before you go, make sure to click subscribe if you've not had a chance yet, because I'm posting new high protein recipes about twice a week, usually Monday and Friday. And if you're subscribed, you'll get notified as soon as I post a new recipe so you don't miss out. And also leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe. Right, I'll speak to you later.